बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है समझना है। माय नेम इज सजीदा रजा। आई एम स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 4. माय स्कूल नेम इज फैजान इस्लामिक स्कूल सिस्टम, हैदराबाद, पाकिस्तान. टुडे we are going to learn graded oral maths for oral science commerce group, new syllabus mathematics book 3, 7th edition, chapter number 1, quadratic equation and functions. Exercise 1.1, solving quadratic equations by completing the square. Intermediate level B3 type question. Solve each of the following equations, giving your answer correct up to 2 decimal place. Now also the form of quadratic equations are written and the methods, and today we are going to learn the completing the square method. So also the book answers and the steps are written. You can see we are going to start this book Oral Maths Theory. Now, okay, so the first step is divide coefficient of x with 2. Okay, square it. Okay, put it on both sides. Okay, so here will come x square minus 6 upon 7x plus 2 upon 49 plus 3 upon 7 whole square is equal to 3 upon 7 whole square. Then solve and get a plus b whole square formula or a minus b whole square formula. So this will be go there. So square minus 6 upon 7x plus 3 upon 7 whole square is equal to 3 upon 7 whole square minus 2 upon 49. Now here we will use a minus b whole square formula. So x plus 3 upon 7 whole square is equal to, now we will open this. So 3 3 is 9, 7 7 is 49 minus 2 upon 49. Here we will take the LCM. So x plus 3 upon 7 whole square is equal to 7 upon 49. Then we will divide it. So answer will come and we will divide these both things. So answer will come x plus 0.4285 whole square is equal to 0.1428. Okay. Then take radical on both sides. So here come x plus 0.4285 whole square equal to plus minus radical 0.1428. Now this will be cut. Then make two equations and solve. Okay. So here will come x plus 0.4 x plus 0.4285 285. Sorry, I have no space. That's why I want to remove this. Now I can make the two equations. Then I can solve. So I am not removing the last step. So here will come not this radical x plus 0.42885 is equal to radical 0.1 0.428. Then x. Now I can remove it. So here will come x plus 0.4285 is equal to minus radical 0.1428. Now get square root. Okay. So here will come x plus 0.4285 is equal to 0.3778. 0.3778. Here will come x plus 0.4285 is equal to minus 0.3778. Okay, we can solve the both sides. Now we can solve. So this will be go there and this will be go there. So x is equal to 0.3778 minus 0.4285. Then we will solve this. X is equal to 0.8063. 63 will become here. In the second one, this will be go there. So x is equal to minus 0.3778 minus 0.4285. Then x is equal to 0.0507. Now get 0.8063, 0.8063 and 0.0507, 0.0507. Now we can do the round off. So this is big. So that's why it is equal to 0.81. And so roots are 0.81 or we will do the round off. So here will come x equal to 0.05. 0.05 and this is become our final answer. So the book answers are written, you can check it. 0.81, 0.81, 0.05, 0.05. It simple means this is correct. Okay. Thank you. No like, no subscribe, only share.